Son of a bitch. Yo, you saw me walking them bitches down though, bro. One after one after one after one after one. I ran out of 300. I went 300 rounds, and I freaking got ran out of ammo. Well, honestly, I can. Damn, there might be people there already doing it because of where it's at. You can do it without the key card. It's just you can't do the actual glitch with what you call it. You can't get the what you call it. You can open it. It's just you can't get any of the the. You
I felt about fucking death. What? This fucking lag.
That's wild. That's wild.
I had my parachute and everything.
That's wild, man. See the numbers, fellas. One to the right, one to the right, one to the right on him, one to the right on him.
We located the rest of them.
I don't need the SMG. I got it. No. Coming in still, coming in.
Not me!
Watch it, 735.
Come on, man.
Got it. Get the gas mask. Grab the gas mask. 9, 8.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Yo, I'm missing a fucking number. How?
Oh.
How? I'm watching this shit. I'm not. 7, 6, 6, 7. Oh, I got it. So 7, 6, 6, 7. I gotta do it. Hang on. 9, 8, 6, 1. 9, 8, 6, 1. 7. It's not. It won't let it open this. Oh, there we go.
So this is what Coney's been keeping under wraps.
Yes, we got it.
How about we field test the prototype
Oh my
for him,
gosh.
They're above us.
Now we go for the win. Now we got that shit. Now we go for the win. That's a burst, but fuck.
Oh damn.
Yeah, that's what I said. Hey, it looks dope though. It looks dope. It looks like a Budweiser. It looked like a Budweiser skin. It's weird, but it looks fucking cool.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
One right here.
Knocked one.
Knocked another. Last dude.
Yo, throw me smoke. Behind you.
Nigga, I knocked all 3 of them, bro.
Like a little bitch. Highest point. Good snipes and all, but shit.
Bitch out my lobby.
This stupid ass
Look at you out there.
Losing ground. Move it.
It's alright, it's all good. It's all love.
Yes, sir. Dude, I'm tight.
All of a sudden, we ain't picking shit. Fuck off, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, you have a Talfa, don't you? You have a Talfa, dude. You're the good boy. You're a bitch.
Game that good then.
Yeah, you damn right. What you doing down there? Hey, take that nade for me. Oh, I didn't hit him.
Oh, the boy! Good shot. You was looked away too? That's a scary
Nah,
part.
he wouldn't. Because he would have already got his teammate back.
Exactly. That's fine.
Now keep fighting it out down there, baby. Just keep fighting it.
Only 10 left.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they fighting gas too, holy shit. It said unlocked.
Last chance.
They didn't say that for me.
Finish the job.
And I got stims, baby! Ooh!
Oh my god. Oh, they buying back? They buying back? Where? What? Oh my god. If you had a pizza, you'd be fucking crazy right now, because you'd hold the pizza to the moment you die. We'd inevitably win this shit. No, don't push, don't push! Yes, sir. Is that a pizza? Oh.
No.
They're coming up! No, I'm tripping. Yeah, go back to the stand, yeah, just in case. Could've waited. Pick up the ammunition.
Mission accomplished.
Get
Yeah,
out
sir.
my lobby! Get out my lobby, bro!